I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine without yeast. We'll explore how the natural yeasts found on fruit skins can kickstart the fermentation process, transforming fruit juice into delicious wine. It's a fascinating method that relies on nature's own tiny helpers. We'll guide you through selecting the best fruit and preparing your setup for success. First, gently wash your chosen fruit, being careful not to remove the natural white bloom, which contains those essential wild yeasts. Next, crush the fruit to release its juices, then combine it with the appropriate amount of sugar and water. Finally, transfer this mixture into a thoroughly sanitized fermentation vessel, securing it with an airlock to keep out unwanted air. During fermentation, it's crucial to maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to support yeast activity. Keep an eye on your airlock. Active bubbling indicates fermentation is underway. Once the bubbling significantly slows or stops, it's time to carefully rack the wine, siphoning it off the sediment into a fresh, clean container. Before bottling, confirm that fermentation has completely finished to prevent any unexpected pressure buildup in your bottles. Carefully siphon the clear wine into sterilized bottles, leaving a small amount of headspace at the top. Seal them tightly, and your homemade, yeast-free wine is ready to age and enjoy. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.